Hey guys, what's up? So today we show top best strategies for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called Weather Lock. Displays animated weather wallpaper on the lock screen. This is called Aperio, a beautiful app launcher for your lock screen. This is called Jitter, allows you to animate your apps that have notifications. So these 7 features right here. This is called Scorpion, intrusive color interface, say no more. So replace the stock call UI with the sleek and unintrusive design. This is called Callbar XX, version SE 4.0-8 is now has iOS 14.8 support. So what it allows you to do is complete call handling for telephony and FaceTime audio calls, launch other call kit calls including Viber, WhatsApp, etc. This is called Courier, a complete messages customization tweak. So messages app the way you want. So tighter, blank, dark, or light messages app, and want to add some color. Allows you to change almost every aspect of the messages app, including almost 25 pre-designed color schemes. This is called Shortmoji 2, and #1 keyboard tweak as you can add quick access to emojis and pasteboard shortcut to your stock keyboard. Requires iOS 13.0 and higher. This is called Deficient, tweak for YouTube with over 60 plus tweets to choose from, premium pop-up ads, and others. New tweets added, YouTube Music Addict, Circube tweets, works on iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. This is called Etsnon, and it's basically a tweet that makes it easy to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. So, and what's good about this is that it was $1.99 and now it's on sale for 99 cents. So make sure to get it while it's on sale. This is called Gmail No Ads, removes ads for Gmail. This is called Yobon, comes with iOS 11 to 14, and adds extra buttons on top of your settings. These features right here. This is called Icon Tweak. And you have these features right here, and Springboard or tap in edit mode, force touch menu, you have access to these features right here. This is called Notify Wi-Fi ETS, and notifies when you connect to a Wi-Fi, extension of configuration Wi-Fi menu, script the passcodes, such as when you're connected to a specific Wi-Fi. Automatically turns off cellular if you are on a Wi-Fi connected whitelist, so control your Wi-Fi. This is called Snowboard UI extension, provides support for theme and alt, UI images, elements and images and bundles from Snowboard. This is called Fake GPS Pro. You change your iPhone's location for your apps and games. This is called Fits Random Resprings and increases Springboard allowable memory, so prevents Springboard crashes. This is called Siri Coin Control Siri coin flips. This is called Photon, true ambient display experience you deserve. This is called Perfect Fit, forces older apps to stretch to fit new devices' screens. This is called Ad Source, powered with iOS 8 to 14, adds many sources at once, copy sources, fast delete the source, identify, update, select the source, solve the mistake of random sources, and fits a fast delete, install, update tweets. This is called Unblock Jodel, to unblock the private chat only. This is called Lib Undirect, and compiler feature that turns objective C methods into unexported C functions. This is called Total Charge Tones, tweak that puts a selected tone alert when your battery is fully charged to 100%. This is called 11 Pro, and adds iPhone Pro Max Pro features to the older devices for cameras for iOS 13 only. This is called Instagram No Ads, and moves ads for Instagram, save media, save HD profile picture, like confirmation, disable DM, turn if someone's following you, all for Instagram. Supports greater than, you could do version 178.0, supports iOS 12 to 14. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.